How to get Apple Intelligence on iPhone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 13. If you're looking to get the most of your iPhone's advanced features, you're in the right place. So let's get started. So, what is Apple Intelligence? It's a combination of AI powered features that make your iPhone smarter and more intuitive. This includes features like Siri, Face ID, and Live Text, which are all powered by Apple's internal AI. With Apple Intelligence, your iPhone can learn your habits, predict what you need, and offer assistance without you having to ask. Now, to get started, you'll want to make sure your iPhone 13 is running the latest version of iOS. To do this, go to your settings, simply tap on General, and go to Software Update. Now, if an update is available, make sure you download and install it. This will ensure that your iPhone has access to the latest AI powered features. Next step, Siri is a key part of Apple Intelligence. Now, to enable Siri, go to Siri settings and tap on Siri. Here you can toggle on options like listen for Hey Siri and press side button for Siri. This allows Siri to be always ready to assist you, whether by voice command or button press. Now, another awesome feature of Apple Intelligence is live text. This allows you to interact with text in photos. Just open the camera app and take a photo with visible text and tap on it. You can then copy, paste, or even look up the text without needing to type it out. It's a great example of how Apple's AI make life easier. Now, next step is to Face ID. Face ID is another key feature powered by Apple Intelligence. It's used for secure unlocking of your phone and for payments. To set it up, go back to settings, scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode and follow the instructions to register your face. Once your Face ID is set up, your iPhone will use advanced facial recognitions to keep your device secure while making it easy to unlock your phone with just a glance. Finally, you can personalize your iPhone's AI features for a smarter experience. For example, you can customize app suggestions, Siri shortcuts, and focus modes in the settings. By doing this, your iPhone will learn your preferences and suggest actions based on your usage patterns. And that's it. You've successfully set up Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 30. With Siri, live text, Face ID, and more, your iPhone will be smarter and more personalized.